Okay, good day everybody. Got another firearm to show you. This is my testing platform for all of my sub-caliber 12 gauge testing. Anyway, this is a Turkish made Lazer Arms XT7 14-inch barreled, single shot, break action, external hammer, SBS shotgun. In Canada, this is considered a non-restricted firearm, so it's just a cash and carry item. If you have a license and a bit of cash, you just buy it and walk out and go shooting. Anyway, I have done a few things to it. I'll give you a little tour here. I did pay a gunsmith to actually machine a groove out of the bottom of this Picatinny rail so it would fit over the vent rib, and of course it's secured with screws or whatever they call them, nuts or screws, I guess. I drilled out the European style sling swivel studs so I could put QD Uncle Mike style sling swivels on it, and just made the sling up with some regular 1-inch tubular webbing. Added this on there just as something to grab, or it's also a place that you can clip on a single point sling if you want, I guess. And the buttstock pouch is from China. They were really cheap. You can buy these buttstock pouches, I think, for $7 each or something like that. And I have one 12 gauge flare, and I also have a belt mountable 2-shell holder that I keep. These are made by Safariland, and they're really good. Once they're clipped on your belt, they're not coming off very easily, and they very securely hold 2 rounds. Shotgun ammo is kind of a pain, you know. I'm not interested in carrying a bandolier or a extra long belt or anything like that. Anyway, overall, let's see, you got the tape measure here. Overall length, just approximately, looks like 29.5 inches, and then the barrel length, actual barrel length on this one is 14 inches, which is good because in British Columbia, where I'm living, you can't hunt with any firearm that has a barrel length less than 12 inches. So, and as far as the sight, the red dot goes, I think it's a Vortex or something, can't remember, picked it up used. It's a good sight, it's nice and rugged. I know it looks kind of wonky having a sight like that on a single shot, but whatever, it works for me for testing. The one thing about this sight though that I really hate, really hate it, is that it uses CR2 batteries, which they're really expensive. They're like $25 for 2 batteries, and it really sucks when you buy a pack of 2 and one's already dead. Anyway, yeah, they come from the factory. They'll handle 3-inch shells, and I've done all my sub-caliber testing with this. I'm trying to do this all while I hold the phone. So, in order to open the action, you take this front section of the trigger guard and pull it back. and then it'll open, and the nice thing is it'll fold, you know, almost completely in half, short enough that it'll fit into you know, a small knapsack, you know, for hiking, I guess, or for camping and all kinds of stuff like that, I guess. I kind of prefer having external hammer. Some people might like internal ones. They did make ones with internal, but I opted for this one. Now this also came with a full set of interchangeable chokes, which was a real bonus. And of course I have one installed right now, and then there's 4 additional chokes. You know, you have the full gambit right from cylinder bore right up to full choke, and then as an add-on I bought the Carlson rifle choke. It uses the Benelli mobile thread pattern. So I've done a lot of shooting with this, and I haven't done any real heavy buckshot loads or heavy slug loads. I'm just not into that. I will eventually, but for now, it's a pretty fun gun. Have a great day, everybody. Mike out.